Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by checking essentials, battery level, any unsaved work, and background transfers. Open Settings or swipe down the Quick Control Center to find Flight Mode or Airplane Mode. Tap it to activate. This severs cellular radios, which prevents data transmission and roaming charges. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are set the way you want. Some systems keep them on. You do this to isolate cellular data quickly, while preserving local network options when needed. Once flight mode is on, you configure the connections you still need. If you want internet, re-enable Wi-Fi and join the correct SSID, because flight mode only blocks cellular radios by default. If you use headsets or keyboards, turn on Bluetooth and pair devices manually. This prevents accidental cellular use. Also, make sure essential apps can access the restored networks. Some require a restart to drop cached cellular routes and use Wi-Fi instead. So reboot apps. To finish, verify the cellular bars are gone and the Wi-Fi or Bluetooth icons show if you enabled them. This confirms data flight mode is working. If apps still fail to access networks, toggle flight mode off then on again, or restart the device to clear transient routing. If problems persist, reset network settings as a last resort. This clears saved networks and may require rejoining Wi-Fi. Remember, resetting is effective but will restore defaults, so you must re-enter passwords.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.